Alright, so here we got a Maristar / RunTru running. Maristar. It doesn't. It's missing. Its emblem's missing. A light scroll. And it has I can't tell. No, I don't know what fan motor that is. From 2020, that's almost from 2021. And it is a 3-ton. It's all cold and sweaty. Outdoor temperature. It has some stuff on it. And I think it's a 14 SEER, yeah. It's 14 SEER. And it's a straight cool unit. Here's another one right here. It's also straight cool. This one could turn on, by the way. Yeah, it's a straight cool. I don't see a reversing valve. It's from first unit 2021. And it's a 3-ton. And, yeah, there's the emblems missing on that one as well. And has not been running. No energy guide. I can't get it. Yeah, there's no energy guide. Alright, I guess over and out.